you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe and well. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel, and it's a little different than any of the other subscriptions I have opened. This is called Nomadic, and it says, "We go where others won't." That is what the box looks like. So Nomadic is a box for the outdoor enthusiast. So whenever we have a new subscription on our channel, I pull up their website so we can get a little bit of information. So let's go over that. I will link them down below, and it looks like they have a promo code right now going for 20% off, so I will leave that down below. And I'm also going to leave down below my active giveaway that ends in just a few days. So if you have not yet checked that out, it'll be down below for you to see after this video. But yes, let's go on their website. So Nomadic, it says box themes built with purpose, designed for specific outdoor activities. It costs $32.95 a month, or you can purchase more months at a time and get a discount. You can cancel anytime, skip a box, so there's no contract, which is great. You're supposed to get customized gear to your interests, guaranteed $50 retail value per box, up to 7 full-size premier gear pieces, monthly outdoor challenge that matches the box theme. And yeah, I think that's everything we need to know. So let's see what the theme is and get this box open. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. It's wrapped in some tissue, and then there's a card. It says Nomadic, don't wait to hydrate. So I wonder if that is the theme. And then inside it says what's inside, and then has a description of all of the items, and then there's some tips on fueling your body, and also a challenge on the back. And it looks like there's some brand discounts too, so the brands they feature in their box, they give promo codes if you want to repurchase whatever's in here or purchase from that brand. That is great. Let's get this open. The first thing I see is right here. This is Hydrate Pack Stow 1 liter flexible bottle. So ultra durable TPU, roll to pack, and it's spill proof. Oh, nice. So this is portable water for when you're hiking or whatever. Let's see what it says. A trail companion like no other. The flexible Stow 1 liter has an internal baffle that makes it easier to hold and pocket. The spill-proof nozzle allows for easy drinking. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and the bail handle makes for more comfortable carrying and attachment. Convenience meets performance. So I guess you just twist the nozzle. It has a spill-proof valve. It's compatible with 28mm threaded water filters. There's a baffle for easy handling and slim profile, and fits where most hard bottles won't, like your pocket. Flatten and roll when empty and stow, and a bail handle. Cool, this goes perfectly with the theme too. And there's measurements on the back. I'm not sure if you guys could see it just because of the coloring and the lighting in here. Awesome, it's BPA and PVC free, and the temperature range for this could be between 60 and 140 degree Fahrenheit, or no, 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degree Fahrenheit, okay. And you can put it in the dishwasher. It's top rack safe, so that's great. Next up, what do we have here? This is by Minaret Thermal Mug, high quality replacement for disposable and plastic mugs. Special insulation keeps beverages hot up to 12 hours or cold up to 24 hours. Spill-proof / slow flow lid design. You can hand wash and keep out of the microwave. Durable 18-8 pro grade stainless steel construction. It's BPA free and phthalate free. And this is what it looks like. So this slides off. So here's what it looks like. And just twist the top off. Awesome. I love that it can keep your drinks hot or cold for that long. So it says 12 ounces of a perfected spill-proof and insulated mug with a slow flow so you don't burn your mouth on that morning coffee. I hate when that happens. This mug keeps your drink hot for up to 12 hours or cold up to 24, like I said. Made with professional grade stainless steel. This little mug can take on your big plans from daily commutes to hiking trips. Make this the only mug you use. Looks like we have a straw bundle here. Let me get this out. First I grabbed the straw cleaner and figured we'd get started. Oh, cool. I love reusable straws. I have quite the collection, but I don't have any like this. So it looks like it's stainless steel, and then it has this bendy part on top. And it also came with a brush cleaner, which is great. So let's learn a little bit more about this. The Mizu straw bundle. Carry this bundle with ease to hydrate even on the go. Find 2 stainless steel straws and a brush for cleaning. These straws are built with flexible silicone tips to ensure your lips don't get too cold. Simply separate by pulling the silicone off for easy cleaning. This is so cool. I'm excited to see it, or to use it. Do you guys see like the print on there too? So awesome. And just a few more items left. We have 2 little Hydrate packets here. I've tried something similar before. I'm not sure if it's this brand, but it says rapidly restore fluid and electrolytes. And there are 2 packets. One is in lemonade flavor and one in orange flavor. And all you do is empty the contents of one packet into 200 milliliters of water and sip slowly and frequently while symptoms persist. Discard unused solution after 6 hours or 24 hours if refrigerated. So this is like such a well-themed box. These are great to have, especially if you're on long hikes. Let's see what they say here. The Hydrate electrolyte powders are here to rehydrate you faster than water, so you're ready for your next adventure. There's nothing artificial about them. These handy all-natural sticks have 4 times more electrolytes and 1/4 of the sugar compared to the leading sports drinks, while putting a boost of flavor in your water. Just 1 stick per 7 ounces. And then the last thing is in here, Bottle Bright, the itty bitty bottle cleaner. Look at that. It is itty bitty. This is what it looks like. And there's a sheet here. It says, we've harnessed the power of nature to tackle your toughest containers. No soap, sink, or scrubbing required. And ultra clean in 3 easy steps. And on the handout it says, Bottle Bright is a natural, biodegradable, grime-fighting cleaning tablet that takes your toughest to clean bottles to task. No soap, sink, or scrubbing required. Fidget your way to clean. So you fill your container with warm water and add the tablet and soak for 15 to 30 minutes, and then discard the solution and rinse. Wow, this is a great idea. I've had things like that you can't really reach into clean. So like bottles, like, well, this one you could, but I'm trying to think of an example. Usually I have like some reusable water bottle around, but it's hard to get in there. So this is a great idea. I've never thought about that before. And then that is everything. So I think they all fit with the Hydrate theme so well. And then they have some tips on fueling your body. They say staying hydrated can be easily overlooked, but can make or break your next trip. Crush your next hike while staying hydrated with these tips. Take into consideration these 5 variables when deciding how much water you should drink. Length, energy exerted, altitude, weather, and climate. And then the next tip is use those electrolytes to refuel your body while on the trail. 3, keep your water accessible so it's easy to drink. Try sipping on your water throughout the journey instead of downing 40 ounces of water at your destination. This will help replenish your body and maintain energy along the way. 4, stay hydrated regardless of the weather. Yes, even on those cold winter adventures. Try putting warm water in a thermal mug to heat up your body in addition to your water bladder if cold temperatures are a concern. And 5, your body is unique. Everyone's body requires different amounts of water to stay hydrated, so don't compare or base the amount of water you drink off a friend. Listen to your own body and fuel accordingly. And then the last thing on here is the Nomadic challenge. It says, for this month's challenge, we want to see all the ways you fuel your body. And it says, take a creative photo showing your favorite things that give you energy on the trail. This could be your go-to water bottle, hydration pack, energy powder, drink, food, etc. Just make sure to include the box or a product found inside the box in your photo. And then upload to Instagram and tag at the Nomadic inside the photo, and it tells you some hashtags to use, and 5 winners will get a free $50 product bundle, and the challenge ends April 28th. That's so cool. I love that they do that. The challenges you can actually like win. I know a lot of boxes like have challenges just to like complete them to do them, but now you have like even more incentive because you can win a product bundle. So I think this is great. If you're really into hiking and the outdoors, I think this would be so useful. Like everything, like I think this Hydrate Pack is so cool. That might be my favorite thing. I also love the mug because I am all about using reusable mugs and stuff like that. The straw as well, and Hydrate. I love having these around. It's really hot where I live. I'm not the most active person I'm trying to be, but I think staying hydrated is so important, and I love the message of their box. So again, I'm gonna leave all of their information down below, the link, promo code, all of that, pricing information. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, stay safe out there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.